आज से 3 साल पहले 90s kids entered the most bizarre era of their life. This was the time of taking responsibilities, having accountability of every action, and owning up to every shit that happens in their life. सीधे शब्दों में कहूँ तो रायता फैलाया हो या ना फैलाया हो, समेटना तो पड़ेगा एरा. Welcome to 30 things I'm learning in my 30s, and this is lesson number 11. सबसे पहले, I would like to say a few things in loving memory of my 20s. When I was young and wild, carefree and careless, worked for my own, earned for my own, paid for my own, no responsibilities, zero accountability. और अगर कोई कांड हो भी गया तो भगवान भरोसे छोड़ के I used to move on. क्या समय था. And now I'm in my 30s with responsibilities no one prepared me for and accountability of things that I don't even know existed before. लाइफ में अब मैं कोई कांड नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि अगर मैं कांड करूंगी तो डायरेक्टली इसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा मेरे फ्रेंडशिप्स पे, मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स पे, मेरे करियर पे, मेरे पैसों पर. एंड नाउ आई कैन नॉट लीव दीज थिंग्स टू भगवान एंड मूव ऑन लाइक आई यूज्ड टू. क्योंकि अब लोग, घर वाले, दोस्त 4 सवाल पूछते हैं तो जवाब भी देना पड़ता है. Yes, it wasn't like I wasn't responsible or accountable before for my actions. But my 30s are not as forgiving as my 20s. Now I have real responsibilities. People actually look up to me for things. Every decision of mine, every action of mine now directly impacts the life of people around me. Everything is not fun and games anymore. Life has become serious. Those who are already in their 30s would know what the hell I'm talking about. But if you're someone who recently turned 30 or is about to enter their 30s, then let me explain this to you. Your 30s comes with responsibilities and emotional baggages. अब आप अपनी गलतियां किसी और के ऊपर नहीं डाल सकते, ना ही आप किस चीज़ को ये बोल सकते कि देखा जाएगा जो होगा, because other lives are interconnected with yours. So if you have responsibilities, make sure you fulfill them. If you have accountability for anything, make sure you own up to it, because your 30s are not as forgiving as your 20s.